Welcome to Pharm Study Tips. Today, we're diving into an essential topic, 10 key points every patient must know about their medication. Whether you're new here or a returning subscriber, we're glad to have you with us. Let's get started. Name and purpose. First things first, always know the name of your medication and its purpose. Understanding both the brand name and the generic name can make things easier for you. Dosage and administration. Next, be sure you know the correct dosage, how often to take it, and the best time to take it. For example, should it be taken with food on an empty stomach in the morning or at night? Side effects. It's crucial to be aware of potential side effects. Know the common ones and what to do if you experience them. Also, be informed about any rare but serious reactions. Interactions. Understand how your medication may interact with other drugs, supplements, or foods. Some combinations can increase side effects or reduce the medication's effectiveness. Storage instructions. Proper storage is key. Make sure you know how to store your medication correctly, whether it needs to be in a cool, dry place or refrigerated. Duration of treatment. Be clear on how long you should be taking the medication. Some are for short-term use, while others might be for long-term use. Missed doses. What should you do if you miss a dose? Some medications require you to take the missed dose as soon as you remember, while others have different instructions. Refills and prescription renewal. Keep track of how many refills you have and understand the process. As for renewing your prescription, this helps you avoid running out of medication. Special precautions. Are there any special precautions you should take while on the medication? This could include avoiding certain activities, alcohol, or other substances. When to seek help. Finally, know when to contact your healthcare provider. This includes severe side effects, symptoms not improving, or any other concerns regarding your medication. Closing section. Thank you for watching. We hope these key points help you better understand your medication. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.